How to tell when a furnace is bad is a question many homeowners ask once their heating system starts acting differently during winter in Greenwood Village, Colorado. A furnace rarely fails without warning. Common signs include loud or unusual noises, weak or cold air coming from vents, short cycling, and sudden increases in energy bills. These symptoms often point to worn components, airflow problems, or internal damage that requires professional furnace repair. This is especially important in Greenwood Village because furnaces work hardest during cold winter months. Longer run times expose weak parts and existing problems that may not show up during mild weather. Catching issues early can prevent emergency breakdowns when demand is highest. If you notice strange noises, uneven heat, rising bills, or unusual smells, do not ignore them. A professional inspection helps determine whether furnace repair is still a safe and cost-effective option or if replacement should be considered.